Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the perfect security camera for my home protection. Let's see if I can beat the clock and make the right choice. In this video, you'll learn how to select the perfect security camera to protect your home and loved ones effectively. When it comes to choosing a security camera, there are so many options available, it can be overwhelming. You've got different types, brands, and features all vying for your attention, making it difficult to know where to start. How do you determine which one is best for your specific needs? It's not just about slapping a camera on the wall. You need to consider what kind of protection you need, what kind of coverage you want, and how much you're willing to spend. For many homeowners, the process of selecting a security camera can be frustrating, to say the least. And let's be real, who has the time to research all the different options? The cameras that promise the world, but deliver very little, the sales pitches that make you feel like you need something you don't. It's all part of the chaos. So, how do you cut through the noise and find a camera that actually works for you? That's what we're going to explore in this video. We'll explore key features to consider such as resolution, field of view, night vision, and smart home compatibility, helping you make an informed decision. When it comes to resolution, you want to make sure you're getting a clear picture. But how clear is clear enough? Do you need 4K resolution, or will 1080p suffice? And what about the field of view? Do you need a wide-angle lens, or can you get by with a narrower view? These are all questions we'll answer in just a minute. Night vision is another critical feature to consider. If you want to be able to see what's going on outside your home at night, you'll need a camera with excellent low-light performance. But what about smart home compatibility? If you've already invested in a smart home system, you'll want to make sure your security camera can integrate seamlessly with it. We'll dive deeper into these features and more, so you can make a decision that's right for you. The best security camera for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Do you need weather resistance, or will the camera be indoors? Do you want motion detection, or do you prefer continuous recording? These are all factors to consider when choosing the perfect camera for your home. Discover the top 3 security cameras on the market right now, based on performance, reliability, and customer feedback. From budget-friendly options to high-end models with all the bells and whistles, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking for a simple, plug-and-play solution or a more advanced system with smart alerts and facial recognition, we'll show you the top picks. In the end, it's all about finding a camera that meets your unique needs and provides the level of protection you need. Whether you're looking to deter potential intruders, keep an eye on the kids, or simply have some extra peace of mind, the right security camera can make all the difference. In summary, selecting the right security camera involves understanding your specific needs and the features available to meet those needs. By considering your options carefully and doing your research, you can find a camera that provides the protection and peace of mind you deserve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our next video on home security tips and leave your thoughts in the comments below.